Friends, let's discuss today about the next coming season, and that is Sharada rutu. I think it's like in India, after the rains, after the Varsha rutu, the season which comes is Sharada. I think it goes close to autumn, which comes in this September and October. Here we also call it as a October heat. So what happens in this season is now rains are reducing and the clouds are getting away and the sky will be very clear. So as the sky is very clear, the sunshine is very clear, and that sunshine is causing a lot of heat. Actually temperature has not gone up as in summers, but now we are not used to this sunshine for almost 2 months. So now this sunshine is causing a problem in our body. We have seen that in rains the vata goes up, the wind goes up, and there are so many vata issues in the body. So there are pains and ache and bloating and so many issues of vata. See how nature changes and you get relieved of vata issues. So as the sunshine comes up and the heat comes up, it will be acting as a treatment of the vata issues. So you are getting relieved of vata issues, but at the same time the pitta, the heat in your body is going up. So now in this season of Sharad rutu, which is from almost 15th of August to 15th of October, now it will vary little here and there. So instead of the fixed dates, you can realize this season by change in the atmosphere. So the rains are going down, the sun is coming up, that sun is one feels very heaty with that sun, and that is the right time that you understand that oh, now the Sharad rutu, Sharad season has started. So few days here and there. So what will happen? Your pitta is going up. A person who already has a pitta constitution, he is already has a lot of heat in the body, will suffer a lot in this season. Everyone's pitta will go up, but this person will suffer a lot. So all pitta issues like burning in the eyes, there is a burning in the stomach, burning in the hands and legs, your face is getting very red, your eyes are getting very red. So redness and heat everywhere. In the urine you will get a burning, in the stools you will get a burning, there will be mouth ulcers developing in your intestines, all these signs of excess pitta. If this is getting worst, then there may be bleeding from the nose, a red hot blood comes out of the nose, a red hot blood comes out of the stools, there is a red color rash on the skin and it's very heaty, there are small boils on the skin. All these are signs that pitta is increased in your body and now it's manifesting in a different ways. So you have to understand that oh, my pitta is going up with all these signs. Now your clever body knows that oh, the atmosphere has changed, my pitta has gone up, and the demands of the body will change. So you know that we have already discussed that 3 tests like sweet, bitter and astringent, these are the 3 tests, they pacify pitta, and 3 tests are there like sour, salty and pungent, spicy, hot, spicy, they will increase the pitta. So now you are having your routine meal and then you will realize, oh, today the salt is too much. Oh, this little sour thing and I am not happy with this sourness. Or this little spices and I am not happy with the spices. So your body will speak with you that, oh my dear, my pitta has gone up and now I don't want sourness, I don't want saltiness, and I don't want spices, hot spices. In a previous season, like in the rains, we have learned that this sour and salty tests are the tests of the rains. You want to have sour and salty things. You will take out all the pickles from your bottles and you will enjoy pickles. But see how it will change now. Now you don't enjoy this pickle. Now you don't want sourness or saltiness. So just be mindful that what your body is talking to you now. And then your body will start craving towards this tastes of sweetness, bitterness and astringentness. So what food you will like? The pitta pacifying food. So just simple rice which is cooling, the dal, pulses, legumes, most of them are cooling, and a ghee, clarified butter, very cooling. Clarified butter, ghee is the best medicine of pitta. There are thousands of medicines of pitta, but what is the best? Ghee. So whenever pitta increases in your body, you have to remember ghee. So in that particular time when there is too much of pitta, you can increase this ghee by many folds. Like if you are having 2-3 spoons of ghee every day, you go up to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 spoons just for a few days, 2-3 days, and you will realize that your pitta is subsiding. So ghee will be the best food for you. Then milk is very cooling. So that person will enjoy this milk, and again a little cold milk, or he may put some rose syrup into that which is also cooling, and he will have a rose milkshake. Or he will love to have coffee. Coffee is bitter in nature, also cooling, so he may love to have cold coffee. So that's very interesting to be mindful about oneself, that you will notice the small changes as the atmosphere is changing, and you will realize, oh, now my body is asking something different. Someone may like milk and rice, both are cooling. Some may like milk, rice and sugar. Sugar is also cooling. So there is a difference between a jaggery and a sugar. Jaggery is heaty in nature and sugar is cooling in nature. So in this time of pitta, sugar will be preferred. Now there are so many things about sugar. Yeah, I know that this white sugar is not so good. So you go for a little brown sugar. Now it's easily available. So you go for a brown sugar. But please don't keep a block in your mind that sugar is a poison. Nothing is a poison when you have it in moderation and when it is absolutely necessary. So in this season, sugar will be your medicine. For whenever the pitta goes up, sugar will be your medicine. Some may like wheat chapati, wheat roti with milk and sugar, or ghee and rice, or ghee and chapati, ghee chapati and sugar. Various combinations, all are cooling in nature, and your body will love to have all these things. So go for this bland food which is very cooling in nature. So change your food. Your body will ask you to change your food. Secondly, change your lifestyle. If you are doing too much of exercise, then the heat will increase in your body. Already there is a pitta, this excess heat, and you will tend to go for many pitta issues. If you are not completing your sleep, you complete your sleep. Then better exercise in this season is a swimming. The water is cooling, so your heated body in pitta, and you are doing swimming, you will feel very nice. So swimming will be a very good exercise. In rains, you are enjoying the hot water bath. Now in this pitta season, in the Sharad rutu, you will love to have the normal temperature water. So change accordingly as your body says to you. So this is the lifestyle changes, food changes. Now let's talk about the medicines. So there are several medicines, as I have told. Ghee is the best one. If that ghee is not serving to you, then there is one other medicated ghee. It is known as tikta krita. Tikta means bitter. So some bitter medicines are added into the ghee. Most of the bitter things are cooling. So this ghee is still further better to pacify your pitta. So have this tikta grita or maha tikta grita, 1 spoonful in the morning, evening, twice daily, or maybe thrice daily. So it's a very good medicine. Then there are some other medicines. Sandalwood is a very good medicine of pitta. So have a sandalwood, make a paste of sandalwood and have it. Or you get a ready-made syrup made from sandalwood, chandanasav. So you can have chandanasav 4-5 spoons twice or thrice in a day. Or there is one another very good medicine is khas. Khas in Sanskrit is known as ushir. So you can have this ushirasav. So there are so many medicines. Another good medicine is gulkand. Gulkand is rose petals and sugar. Both are cooling in nature. So bring this gulkand and have in a good amount. So 1 tablespoon at a time, twice or thrice daily, or you can also have it with your meals. What else you can have? If you have a powder of sandalwood or powder of khas. Khas is like in Marathi we call it vada. And so you have a powder of vada and then sandalwood powder. You may have a powder of another medicine known as sariva or anantmul. So take this powder, 1-2 spoonfuls of powder, 1 full glass of water, keep it for 12 hours. So after the 12 hours you filter that water and have that water. So it's very cooling and will help you to get down your pitta. So all these pitta medicines, so you use pitta medicines when necessary. Change your food, change your lifestyle, and then you can control all these pitta issues which are surfacing in this season of Sharad. What else you can think of is that all these flowers, they are very cooling. So you can use this flower, like in South India, these women, they wear all these garlands of flowers. So they are very cooling. So again good for pitta. There are some more treatments of pitta which is known as a purification treatments, panchakarma. So there are 2 panchakarma for pitta. One is taking out the blood. It is known as bloodletting, rakta mokshan. So this is a good time to go for a blood donation. So you are also helping other and you are also taking out pitta from your body, or you can go to a Ayurvedic doctor and he will help you out to do this bloodletting, which is a very good purification treatment of pitta. Another purification treatment of pitta is giving laxatives, virechana. Sometimes when pitta goes up, you will naturally have little loose motions. See, you remember when you eat very hot spicy food, next day you may have 2, 3, 4 loose motions. So body is taking out this excess heat. In the same way, you can do it under the guidance of your doctor, that you take some laxative medicine and you will have some loose motions and your pitta will go out. So as I said, sometimes it will happen naturally, so let it happen. So you are having a loose motions, and rather after having a loose motions you will feel I am feeling so nice when the pitta is going out. So let it happen till you are not getting a weakness. If you start getting a weakness, then you take some medicines to stop this excess loose motions. In that loose motions you will get a burning. As pitta is going out, you will get some sensation of burning in that loose motions. Sometimes in the women, when pitta goes up in this season or otherwise also, they will have excessive menstrual bleeding, very red hot blood is coming out, and then again the treatment for that is pitta pacifying. So they are changing their food, taking the medicines and changing the lifestyle, their pitta is going down and the bleeding will stop. One good medicine to stop that bleeding is Kutaja Rista. It's a syrup. So again you can have 4 or 5 spoons of Kutaja Rista with equal quantity of water twice or thrice daily, and then it will help you to stop this excessive bleeding. Then again the season also helps you. So this Sharada rutu, season of October heat, will bring a cooling fruits for you. So it will bring a gava, amrut, peru. So it is very cooling and it will subside your pitta. Then custard apple, this is also very cooling, sitafal. So the nature will also bring up particular fruits which are cooling in nature, and that will help you. Another good medicine for pitta will be coconut. Coconut is very cooling, so you can have a fresh coconut water, and your pitta will go down. In India, there are some festivals which come in this season, and these festivals also teach you what to eat and what to not. So one big festival comes is a Ganesh festival, and whatever we offer to Ganesh ji is all pitta pacifying things. So we give him a sweet thing is modak. It is made from rice and coconut and sugar, all are cooling, and on top of that we put lot of ghee and we have these modaks. So it is a very good medicine of pitta, and that's why you should have this in this particular season. Then whatever you offer to Ganesh ji, like you offer lotus to Ganesh ji, that is very cooling. You offer a particular type of grass which is known as durva, which is also cooling. So whatever you offer to Ganesh ji is again cooling, and this you can use as a medicines. One another festival comes is known as Kojagari Purnima. It's a full moon day, and there what our tradition has told us to have is a milk with some rice into it, some sugar into it, and you are keeping that milk pudding or milk in the rays of the moon. So the rays of the moons are also very cooling. So see how we are doing it, that rice is cooling, sugar is cooling, milk is cooling, and this rays of the moon. So it becomes something very cooling, which is very good to subside your pitta. So you can have that multiple times. Then one festival comes where it is known as Narani Purnima, again a full moon day, and you have a coconut rice. So rice is cooling, coconut is cooling, sugar is cooling, ghee is cooling. So again it is for your pitta. So also try to do all these things so your pitta will be pacified. So we have seen these 3 tests. One is sweet, astringent and bitter for the pitta, which will reduce the pitta. So sweet, so your body will ask for sweet things. So various milk puddings, kheer and some sweet dishes, halwa, rasgulla, and there is another very good sweet dish here we get in India is a petha. It is from a particular region. It is made from ash gourd and sugar. So again very cooling. So have these sweet things. Then some bitter things. So what bitter and astringent things? So most of the vegetables, most of the gourds, they are bitter and astringent. Many leafy vegetables are bitter and astringent. So have these vegetables and have these gourds in this season. Then again all the pulses, legumes, so most of them are cooling in nature, and they are again little astringent and some are little bitter. So again these legumes will help you to get down your pitta. So this is how you use your wisdom and get rid of this excess pitta. First is you try that your pitta won't go up in this season, and then if it goes up, in any case you understand it and try this way. The food changes, the lifestyle changes, some medicines, and you will get rid of pitta. Some serious diseases also occur, like this pitta stays in the blood, so it will break your artery and there is a lot of bleeding through your nose, bleeding through your anus. So pitta, so body is taking out that blood. So the treatment is that let it happen, let the blood go out and you will feel better. Only if the blood is going out and you are getting a weakness, then try to stop it. Like you know how to stop it, like if the blood is coming through the nose, then you press the nose and etc, etc, then try to stop it. Sometimes the pitta comes out through the skin, so you will get a red color rash on the skin, boils on the skin, all red color and very heating. So pitta has come up. So again do a general treatment and apply some cooling creams. So one is a very good cream where here we get in India is Kailash Jeevan, made from ghee and coconut oil and camphor and sandalwood, etc, etc. Then or apply sandalwood powder, or if you have aloe vera, you apply aloe vera, it is also cooling. So apply all the cooling things on the skin and also do a generalized treatment of pitta, then this will subside. Another serious disease is herpes. So herpes is again your pitta is coming out. It usually happens in this stomach area. So a very heaty and very painful skin condition. Usually in modern medicine it has been connected to as a viral disease. In Ayurveda it has been connected to pitta. So do all the pitta treatment and you will get rid of herpes. Again a type of fever comes in this. When the pitta goes up, a type of fever comes, a very strong fever, and there is a redness on your face, and but in that fever also your hunger is very good and your body is asking for all the cooling things and sweet things. So it's a pitta fever. Like so many fevers, there is one fever is a kapha fever. In kapha fever, although the fever is there, your body won't ask for a cooling things, your body won't ask for sweet things, your body, there is no much hunger, there is no much thirst. In a pitta fever, there will be very good thirst, you want cooling water, very good hunger, sweet things, ghee, everything body will like, and all the cooling things. So then the diagnosis will be a pitta fever. Now when I see these patients, the diagnosis usually happens is a viral fever. So now I am connecting this viral fever with pitta fever. So I am seeing in my patient most of these viral fevers, they will show signs like pitta fever, and when you treat in a pitta way, all these most of the viral fevers will go down. So just remember this point and you check with yourself, like there is a fever and what's happening in your body, what your body is demanding, and then maybe you can treat this fever yourself. So anything, any pitta symptoms you are getting in this pitta season of Sharad rutu, then it's your understanding that my pitta is going up, and that is why we are learning this, that this is a season when pitta will come up, you will get all these symptoms. So instead of running to doctor initially, you please understand, oh my pitta has gone up, and you know now what changes to make in the food, what changes to make in the lifestyle, some medicines, and your pitta will go down and you will feel better. So why we are learning all this is that you are diagnosing yourself and you are treating yourself. This wisdom was there in our society few decades back. Now we have lost this wisdom, and that is why we are becoming so much dependent on the health system. So this learning is because that you should now become more wise, and you should, in most of the times, you should treat yourself. When you are not able to manage yourself, something serious, then definitely you are going to the doctors. So be wise, know about this pitta season, know what to do about this excess pitta, and keep your health well. Thank you very much.